Welcome to the Department of Psychology at Tuljaram Chaturchand College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Baramati. A department rich in tradition, innovation and academic excellence. Department was established in the year 1970 to the Department of Psychology has been a foundational pillar of the college for over 5 decades. It is dedicated to fostering psychological knowledge, critical thinking and practical skills through a blend of rigorous academics and community-focused initiatives. Our commitment to quality education, impactful research, and social outreach makes the department a beacon for aspiring psychologists and mental health professionals. The department offers comprehensive undergraduate and postgraduate programs. BA in Psychology has been started since 1972 and MA in Psychology has been since 2009. These courses are meticulously designed to build a strong theoretical base while honing practical competencies, preparing students for careers in academia, clinical practice, counseling, research, and social services. Our department is powered by a team of 5 highly qualified and experienced faculty members, each contributing with distinct specializations and teaching expertise. Their dedication ensures a vibrant and multidisciplinary learning environment. The department actively promotes research and knowledge creation. Dr. Vijay Kumar Shinde is SPPU, Pune. Research Guide Department has been published 22 research papers. Faculty members has been participated in national and international seminars and conferences. As well as our faculty has been published 3 books and 2 book chapters. The department offers the C.T. Deshpande Psychological Laboratory, fully equipped for conducting psychological experiments and tests. Department has separate counseling cell. Through this cell we provide psychological counseling and testing services for students, staff and other stockholders. Psychology department has a modern ICT-enabled classroom. The department emphasizes holistic student development through career counseling activities, skill enhancement programs, progression to placement or higher education. Department also provides set net guidance for students. Students actively participate in vibrant co-curricular events. This commitment to practical learning and community service ensures a transformative educational experience. With a proud legacy spanning over 50 years, the Department of Psychology at Tuljaram Chaturchand College remains committed to excellence in education, pioneering research and impactful community engagement. We continue to inspire minds, nurture growth, and shape the future of psychology. Thank you for watching.